Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I will show you how you can add ports for different ArcGIS enterprise elements onto the servers. So currently, I will show you for ArcGIS server how we can add different ports. In my case, I am the admin of ArcGIS server. In your case, if you are the admin, it's fine. Otherwise, you need to contact your IT or cybersecurity department of your employer. So first of all, you have to log into the ArcGIS server machine, and then you have to type in the search Windows Defender, and it will show you two different options, one with Windows Defender Firewall. You should not select this one. You should choose this one, Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. And here by default, this first element is selected. You need to click on inbound rules. Then you will come to this page. Here you can see the already defined inbound rules. We have to right click on inbound rules and click on new rule, or after selecting inbound rules you can click on new rules on the right side. Both are same. And then you have to choose port. By default, program is selected. You have to choose port and then click next. And here make sure that TCP is selected, and you have to specify the local port. In this example, I am showing you the port 2443, which is being used by ArcGIS Data Store. And then you have to choose this one, allow the connection. Then you have to click next and keep all these by default checked. Click next, and here you have to give it a proper name. So I recommend to start it with GIS underscore because there are a lot of inbound rules. So if at any stage later on you have to find which rules you have previously added, so at least you can find them easily. So always start them GIS underscore and then write for which program you are going to enter this port. In my case, ArcGIS Data Store space 2443, and I have just copied the optional description from the ArcGIS website. Then you have to click finish. So now you can see that in inbound rules, we have successfully created a new rule in inbound, and similarly we have to create the same rule in outbound rules as well. So first of all, we have to select outbound rules and right click on it, click on new rule, and then you have to choose port, and then you have to type 2443, same port for ArcGIS Data Store. And by default, for outbound rules, it will show you block the connection. But be careful here. You should change this radio button option to the first one. I will show you in the next step. So we have to choose this one. So I have chosen from block to allow. Then we will click next, and then I have given the same name with the description which I have given previously in the inbound rules. So you have to click finish. So here you can see that the outbound rule has been created successfully for this ArcGIS data store. So there are different other ports. You can visit the website of ArcGIS. For example, in my case, I have done this for ArcGIS data store. I have added So you can go to the ArcGIS website to see which port you have to add. So for ArcGIS License Manager, I have added already 27,000 port and 27,004 as well. So similarly, you have to create the inbound and outbound rules for the same port. So if you have one port, so you have to create two rules for the same port in inbound rules and outbound rules. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you very much.